Guys, today we are going to be doing a diagnostic on a troy-bilt tb110. It's model number 11a-a230711. This is just a quick diagnostic on this. Here, hold that. We're going to see if it starts on its own first. Squeeze the cable. You're seeing that the cable is making a good movement down there. So it's actually turning it on. Squeeze it, try it, and it's not doing anything. Alright, so first thing I do every time, because 90% of the time it's going to be a carburetor issue, is I take the air filter cover off. I throw a little squirt of carb cleaner or brake cleaner or gas into the carb, like so, and then I give it a pull over a few times. See, it's trying to fire. What was squirt into the carburetor is what it's trying to run off of. So it needs three things: spark, compression, and fuel. So we've got spark and compression because it is firing. We just have a fuel issue on it, because I bypassed the carburetor by squirting a flammable liquid into the intake, and it started to fire up. Very simple way to diagnose your lawnmower. This is how to diagnose the carburetor on this one. Alright, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'll put a tune-up kit in here for you in the description. Air filter, spark plug, oil, stuff like that. The next video will be me doing the carburetor on this, so that you can see how, when you find out that it is your carburetor, how to fix it. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.